Hi Gunjan. Yeah, I'm back again. Okay, there are two, three people viewing me live, so I'll just start off what I'm going to say. Um, Gunjan, can you just uh, ping Sara ma'am and just tell her that I'm going live. It's nothing official. Just you can tell her that I'm going live, so that if she wants to see, she can see. So yeah, I've not been keeping well. Uh, I have had issues, a lot of personal issues, and because of thank you Mitra, thank you so much. Because of which I was not able to be active on social media, and I had some work to be done today. Uh, since I am the winner of I'm the runners up in the Miss category of Miss and Mrs. Sari Queen 2021. Uh, I also won the Miss Perseverance title in the same pageant, and I'm really thankful to people who maintained continuous, ever-growing support to me throughout the pageant, and I'm pretty sure that this platform uh, is just a starting point for me. I I have realized a lot of things about me, a lot of strength and weaknesses too, and because of which I am pretty sure that I will um do something good in this field, or maybe something related to this. And as I said, this is just the starting point, and I will try and seek more opportunities wherein I can make a difference to people. I can probably influence people. Thank you, Mitra. Thank you so much. I can probably influence people, and I can guide people from my community to live life in a much better way. So that is all I wanted to share. And there's one more thing. I happened to when I was in the hospital, I was not well. I happened to watch a lot of videos on YouTube, and I have realized that I was wrong on one thing, one aspect. That is, I used to say that uh, people from my community, that is especially trans women, are trying to hide from people and trying not to have an educated life, not to be educated. So uh, now I think that there, though the opportunities are less, but thank you so much, Gunjan. Thank you. Though the opportunities are less, but wherever the opportunity is provided, the acceptance of people is less. So yeah, so I was wrong on that part. That probably trans women are not, coming out of the comfort zone. And uh, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I had a lot of difficulty draping the sari. Somehow I could. You can see uh, my body structure has really, you know, gone crazy. So yeah, the thing is, not been keeping well much, and things have not been so easy for me. But I would really like to thank people who have held my hand and pushed me through the tough times, and made me realize that I am probably tougher than what I think. And it's really sweet of people to support each other, and we as women must support each other during tough times. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much, Gunjan. Thank you. We all must support each other, and especially the community needs support. Um it is not necessary that the support be from outside, but we must at least ensure that the support is there within the community. uh, until and unless we don't stand together, I think we don't stand a chance of having a happy life. So thank you so much. I will hang up. Oh, Saloni has okay. Heidi, how are you? So you can watch me. I was about to leave, and you joined in. Sunita has also joined. Hi Sunita. Hi Sunita. So yeah, I'm feeling much better, much better. I can at least sit now. Though I wanted to dance today, but I cannot dance for maybe about one more week. Maybe after a week I'll be able to dance. So at the moment I can sit. Hi, just someone. I don't know your real name, so I'm just saying hi, just someone. Hi Divya. Hi Nupur. And I didn't have any saris ready or ironed, so I had to wear this simple sari. This is a very very simple sari. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much. Yeah, I rock. Oh, 12 people are 13 people are watching me. This has never happened. I've never had, hi Divya, hi. I've never had more than 7 to 8 people watching me live. So 13 people watching me live, that's an achievement for me, I would say. Looking awesome with your simplicity. Thank you so much, Saloni. Thank you. No bangles. Thank you, Nupur. Thank you. Thank you, Kainas. Thank you. I'm really sorry I've not been able to keep in touch with you or watch your live videos because okay, great Shweta. Thank you, Mitra. Thank you. Because I have not been keeping well, so I've not been able to keep in touch with people, and even though I don't reply, just don't have this feeling that I don't care. I do care a lot about the people who follow me and the people whom I follow and the friends that I made in the pageant. So I would say that I was not able to keep in touch. So please don't have any hard feelings. I will try to keep in touch and participate more in your videos and your live sessions from now on. I'll really try. I'll cross my fingers that I stay fit and I continue to be healthy. Thank you, Sanjana. Thank you so much. Okay. Does anyone have? Okay. Thank you, Anu ma'am. Thank you so much. My health is better, but I am yet to recover completely. anyone has any questions or queries, Glamour by Sarah is coming up with the next pageant, that is Miss Ethnic Queen, Miss and Mrs. Ethnic Queen. So, if anyone would like to participate in it, it's going to be a good opportunity. Well, yeah, I don't accept the requests from people in my private account. I usually try to keep it for family and friends and those people whom I know. Uh, so you can follow me here if you want, but I just don't know your name. Just someone that doesn't signify your name. So yeah, I have a lot of things lined up now. I have to start. I've actually started working, uh, though on a very low level, but I've gotten back to my usual work schedule. So I'm working in the morning hours. Last 3 4 months, I was working in the evening hours, afternoon hours, and evening hours. But now I've gotten back to the same old routine, working in the morning hours and getting free by about 4:35. I don't have any fixed hours of working because I'm my own boss. So um, I'm usually a bit flexible with my work timings, but these days it's a bit difficult because I have a lot of work piled up because I was in the hospital and I wasn't able to work. So there's a lot of work that is piled up, and I don't want to lose my regular clients that I've built, the client base that I've built over a period of time. So I don't want to lose them. That's why I just want to work hard and probably stay busy with work, so that once when I'm busy, I usually don't get anxious thoughts or bad thoughts in my head. So it is the best way to stay happy when you're on hormones. Chalo, I guess I don't have anything else to say, and there's no questions from your side. So I'll probably hang up and maybe see you some other time. Bye bye, guys. Thanks a lot for watching me, and thanks a lot for all your support. It really means a lot to me, and I'm really indebted to people who have supported me, and you'll always be close to my heart. Thank you so much. Bye bye.